Hello everyone. My name is Shutopa Bhattacharya, Assistant Professor in Siliguri Institute of Technology. Today I want to discuss about the performance of capability of linear model from predicting Boston house prices with linear regression model. Here I have imported some libraries just like Pandas, NumPy, Scalars it will import from Matrix, Matplotlib, Seaborn, etc. Now importing Boston House dataset with the help of sklearn.datasets. Then load underscore Boston is a method. After that initializing dataset by this command. Now we can see the head of data sets. Now adding some feature names to the data frame with this command, and we have seen this type of CRIM, ZN, Indus, that CRIM per the capital crime rate by town, ZN proportion of residential land zone for lots of over 25,000. These are things we have seen. Now adding target variable to data frame with the help of these commands, and after that we can check the shape of data frame, and the output is 506 to 14. After the data dot columns, and we have seen this all the columns CRIM, ZN already we have mentioned in earlier. Then data dot details, these are data types are there. Now identifies the unique number of values in data set with the help of this command. Check for missing values by this command. Now see rows with some missing values, that is data dot is null, any axis equals to 1, and we can see. Now to view the total view data statistics by this command data dot describe. Finding out correlation between features by the help of this command, and now we can plot heat map of correlation between features, and these are our heat map. Now splitting target variable and independent variable, after that training and testing the data with the help of trained underscore test underscore split command, and import some library from linear regression. Now after linear regression, we value interception value we can got it. Now convert this one and we can get some attribute and coefficients. After that we can do the model evaluation, that is just adjusted R square and MAE matrix mean absolute error, MAC mean squared error, RMAC matrix mean squared error, and we can see all the values. After that we can visualize some the difference between actual prices and predicted values, and we can see this graph. Then check the residuals with the help of X and Y coordinate. Actually this is the predicted versus residual. Now we can see there is no pattern visible in this plot. Values are distributed equally around 0. So linearity assumption is satisfied here. Now check normality of errors. This normality of errors are by this plt.show, and we can check histogram of residuals. Here residuals are normally distributed, so normality assumption is satisfied. Now we can predicting test data with this model by the lm.predictx data. Now model evaluation, that model evaluation we get adjusted R square, that is 0.685, MAE 3.85, MAC 30.05, RMAC 5.48 by using these printing statements, and here the model evaluation scores are almost matching with that of trained data, so the model is not overfitting. So our assumptions predicting of Boston House data set with the help of linear model is satisfied here. No, thank you.